Ever felt like you're playing whack-a-mole with your crypto portfolio? Manually moving assets, swapping tokens, and rebalancing across different chains? It's a full-time job. But what if there was a better way? What if you could put your decentralized finances on autopilot? The AI agent revolution. That's where Newton Protocol comes in. It's a verifiable automation layer designed to bring the power of AI to on-chain finance. Think of it as your personal financial co-pilot. Instead of manually executing every single step, you can use AI agents to manage your portfolio for you, all while retaining cryptographic guarantees that they'll only ever act within the precise boundaries you set. These agents aren't just simple bots. They're intelligent systems that can analyze market trends, execute trades, and optimize your strategies in real time. They operate within a trusted execution environment and use zero-knowledge proofs, which means every single action is verifiable and secure. You get all the benefits of automation without sacrificing trust or control. DeFi on autopilot. So, what does this look like in practice? Let's talk about DeFi automation. Imagine you want to maximize your yield across a variety of lending protocols. Normally, you'd have to constantly monitor APYs, calculate impermanent loss, and manually reallocate your funds. With Newton Protocol, you can deploy an agent to do this for you. You give it a high-level goal, like find the best yield farm and rebalance my funds every hour, and the agent goes to work, all on its own. It can even take protective actions, like moving your assets to stablecoins if the market turns volatile. This turns sophisticated DeFi strategies from a headache into a hands-off experience. Multi-chain, no problem. One of the biggest hurdles in crypto is the fractured landscape of different blockchains. Managing assets across multiple chains requires tedious and often risky bridging. Newton Protocol's architecture is designed to handle multi-chain tasks seamlessly. By leveraging technologies like a keystore rollup, it provides a unified wallet and balance across different networks. This means your agents can execute complex strategies that span multiple chains, like finding arbitrage opportunities between different decentralized exchanges, without you having to manually bridge assets back and forth. It's truly a unified and efficient experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.